In the heart of the Pacific, the tranquil city of Port Moresby faced a storm of unprecedented proportions in January 10, 2024. Unrest fueled by deep-seated grievances gripped the capital, tearing through its streets and shaking the very foundations of society. The disgruntled security personnel, feeling the weight of unaddressed concerns, marched towards the symbol of power, Parliament House. The air thick with tension, a storm was brewing over long-standing issues of perceived neglect and discontent regarding pay deductions. Opportunists seized the chaos, exploiting the unrest to loot and pillage far-known businesses. Stop and Shop supermarkets, including the one in Baroko, were ravaged. City pharmacy outlets, like the one in Vision City, met a similar fate. The frustration over unresolved issues manifested in a destructive wave. From the embers of looted stores, arsonists emerged. Flames danced across the city, fueled not only by stolen goods, but also by the unresolved issues that had long festered. Brian Bell Group at Garahu became a tragic symbol of the consequences of unaddressed discontent. In the midst of the turmoil, Port Moresby General Hospital struggled under the weight of casualties. The wounded poured in, not only victims of violence, but also casualties of a system marred by unresolved grievances. Facing a city in turmoil, the government declared a 14-day state of emergency. High-ranking officials suspended, a desperate bid to regain control and address the grievances that fueled the chaos. The heart of the issue lay in unmet expectations, a failure to address the concerns of those who serve the nation. To restore order, Mobile Squad 11 from Wabag descended upon the troubled capital, clad in uniforms. They navigated through the chaos, a beacon of hope in the midst of uncertainty. Their mission, not just to quell the immediate disturbance, but to address the root causes of discontent that lingered. Public alerts echoed through the city, warning of opportunistic threats. Organizations like Transparency International, Papua New Guinea, and the Department of Personnel Management raced to clarify, providing beacons of truth in the chaos. The unfolding drama laid bare the consequences of unresolved issues, sparking a clarion call for transparency and reform. As the embers cooled, the city faced the arduous task of rebuilding. City pharmacy and Stop and Shop opened their doors again, defiant against the chaos. Brian Bell Group, once a pillar of commerce, now lies in ruins. A resilient city rises from the ashes, rebuilding its dreams and aspiration. The unresolved pay issues, now laid bare, demand not just rebuilding, but also systemic change to prevent history from repeating itself.